Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are learning your 9th standard mathematics chapter. The name is polynomial. In the previous video lecture we have seen the factor theorem. I have told you to remind all two theorems and the part which we have studied before. Today we are going to start with the practice set 3.5. I am reading the question. You supposed to read the question from your textbook also. Okay, do refer the textbook while we are solving the practice set. See, on page number 35 there is a practice set 3.5. Question number first, find the value of the polynomial 2x minus 2x power 3 plus 7 by using values of x. The given polynomial is px is equal to 2x minus 2x raised to 3 plus 7, and we have to put the value of x as follows. X is equal to 3 at first, then x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 0. I am going to solve the first question, that is put x is equal to 0 while value of x is 3. Then you can solve simultaneously. You can put the same in the same polynomial value of x is minus 1 and x is 0, and you can solve it. Okay, so put x is equal to minus 3 in the given polynomial. Given polynomial is px is equal to 2x minus 2x raised to 3 plus 7. So when we put x is equal to 7, the equation will change, the polynomial will change to p of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3 raised to 3 plus 7. 2 minus 3 is 6, minus 2 as it is 3 power 3 is 27 plus 7. 6 minus 2 is 6 as it is, 27 minus 2 is minus 54 and plus 7 as it is. 6 minus 54 plus 7 is 41. So value of P3 is 40 minus 41. Now what will you do? We will have two number over here and you will write this polynomial as it is. Put x is equal to minus 1 and have the value of p minus 1, and again thirdly put x is equal to x is equal to 0 in the given polynomial and have the value of p0. You can solve it. It is as simple as that. Question number 2 is, I am reading the question. You are supposed to read from your textbook also. For each of the following polynomial, p of 1 and p of 0 and p of minus 2. Okay, now they have given us the three polynomials. We have to put the value of p, we have to find the value of p1, p0 and p minus 2. Means what? We have to put the value of x for one value of x, again for the second time 0, and third time we have to put minus 2. So the given equation is px is equal to x raised to minus 3. Okay, now what we'll do? We will put p is equal to 1. Okay, what we will put? We will put p is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Sorry, it's not p. We will put x is equal to 1. So p of 1 is equal to 1 raised to 3. It will be 1. Now we will put p of what we have to put 1, 0 and minus 2. Okay. Then x is equal to 0. P of 0 is equal to x raised to 3. So it will be the 0. Put x is equal to minus 2. So p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 raised to 3 is equal to minus 8. So we have find the three values. When x is equal to 1, the value of p1 is 1, p0 is 0 and value of p minus 2 is minus 8. Okay. Now you can simultaneously solve for the question number sub question 2 and 3. You have to solve same like this. Put here y is equal to 1, then 0 and minus 2, and then again put here it is what it is x. X is equal to 1, 0 and minus 2 simultaneously. Okay, this is question number 2. Now we will move towards the question number 3. If the value of polynomial m raised to 3 minus 2m plus a is 12, for m is 2, then find the value of a. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find, they have given p of 2 is 12. Okay, then m is equal to 2, then the find value of a. Okay, so the given polynomial is p of m is equal to m power 3 plus 2m plus a. Now what we will do? They have told us that m is equal to 2. So put m is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. P of 2 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 2 into 2 plus a. The value of p2 is 12. So 12 is equal to 2 power raised to 3. It will be 8. 2 into 2 is 4 and a as it is. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is equal to 12 plus a. We have to find the value of a. So 12 will be shifted over here. It will be minus. It is plus. So 12 minus 12 is 0. The value of a is 0. That's how we have solved question number 1, 2 and 3 of your practice set. I will provide you the solution of question number, the remaining questions of your practice set. Try to solve it by your own. I'm going to give you the solution of each and every example. In the previous chapters we have learned, I have given you the solution for each and every example of your practice set, and it will be so spoon feeding to you. You're supposed to try for it. I will provide you the solution, but you have to try to solve it. Okay, this is so simple. The polynomial is a chapter we are studying from the last month. Okay, so you might be so clear with the concepts of the chapter polynomial, you can solve it. I know that, I'm damn sure. Then too, I will provide the solution for all 13 examples. I have given you, just to get the clarification how to solve, I have given you the solution of first 3 examples. I will provide you the solution along with the video, but you have to try to solve it by your own. If you will have any queries regarding this or any problems, then you can contact me. I will surely try to sort it out, but try by your own. Okay, and maths is the subject where practice is the important. If you will practice, you can do it betterly. If you will not practice, you cannot achieve anything, okay, without practice in the maths. Okay, so let's do it. You're gonna solve the practice at 3.5 for the first time by your own. So good luck. Thank you.